Media Technique specializes in BIM and VDC services, shop drawings, constructability designs. Provide din kami ng services for facility management and operations, tapos supply chain, years before, alam niyo yun, yung you had to print a big size paper, ISO na A0. So, lahat ng drafters gagawa ng drawing dun sa malaking papel na yon. Then, ipiprint, then papadala sa site, only to find out na hindi pala pwede yung design na yon. So, imagine, lahat sila nagko-collaborate dun sa single A0 na yon. Kapag mano-mano yung proseso na yun, it could take perhaps days or weeks bago mag-reach yung revision that works at site. So, Autodesk makes it seamless na hindi mo na kailangan i-print ay padala sa site yung drawing. Nangyari, si modeler or si drafter tatapusin yung drawing, isi-sync niya using the Autodesk Construction Cloud. Makikita perhaps nung client or nung manager or nung operations dun sa ibang bansa, re-reviewin niya, then and there makapag-comment siya. Siguro if convenient yung time frame nila pareho or yung time zone nila pareho, pag-comment ni stakeholder dun sa kabilang time zone, kita niya na agad yung result ni modeler. So ganun ka seamless yung pag gumamit ka Autodesk service. CIM kasi kasama na namin si CIM sa simula pa lang ever since nag-start si VT Manila. Andiyan na si CIM. So, paiksiin lang natin, ang after sales ni CIM is top-notch. Hindi lang kami basta binibigyan ng, binibenta ng software. Rather, after nung sales mismo, may provide silang workshops, for the products na in-offer. For example, Revit. Hindi lang basta sales. Bibigyan din kami ng training. Kumbaga, meron kaming new hire na hindi alam yung Revit. So, tatap namin si CIM. Then, ayun, sir, sige, we will provide the training for you on this date kung convenient kayo doon. Autodesk and CIM goes hand in hand in helping us bring bold ideas to life. Faster, smarter, and more sustainable. It's a partnership that continues to elevate what we can achieve. So Autodesk, hindi naman na bago yan sa industry. Pero yeah, when it comes to AEC, Autodesk. Go with Autodesk. You can't go wrong with Autodesk. If you want technology solutions like Autodesk, go with the best, CIM.